In 2009, GM closed over 1,000 stores due to reorganization. This has affected my family's business in both a negative and positive way. Conklin Cars was started in 1941 on September with the Buick franchise started by Stuart Fraser Conklin Sr. in Hutchinson, Kansas. It expanded in 1975 by adding adding Honda to the Hutchinson dealership, and again in 1982 with Oldsmobile, Cadillac, and Nissan, and in 1987 with GMC. In 1991, we bought 2 stores in Newton, Kansas, with the franchises of Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, and Cadillac. In 1996, we bought 2 more stores in Salina, Kansas, with the franchises of Oldsmobile, Cadillac, Toyota, Chevrolet, and Honda. In 2007, we bought major Cadillac, Buick, Pontiac, and GMC in Kansas City, Missouri. Some of our failures have been franchises going away, such as Oldsmobile, Mercury, and Pontiac. We had opened a Chrysler and Plymouth store in Emporia, and we had to close it because my grandfather, Stuart Fraser Conklin Jr., didn't want to have the dealership anymore. GM closed our store in 2007 due to their reorganization of the companies. GM shutting down stores did this because they wanted to save money, such as the car companies actually didn't own the dealerships, and they had to do a contract giving money and everything to, or getting money from GM to get the cars and all of that. They also had to pay to train mechanics to fix the cars when they had problems, and salesmen to sell to dealerships, and auditors to verify claims for reimbursement. If there are more dealerships, then they have to train more people to do these jobs, and that's more money. So with less dealerships, customers have less to go between and compare, and it should up the rate of them buying the car faster. Comparisons can make the negotiation price lower also, which leads to lower revenues. And fewer dealerships means farther distance for customers to drive, but supposedly the gain of revenues outweighs the loss of location. This also weeded out the weaker links, allowing the stronger dealerships to succeed because there was less competition, which means more revenue for them, and they used better selling techniques and marketing techniques, such as the weaker dealerships would use cheaper ways of attracting customers, such as the inflatable men that would blow around in the wind. The reopening of Conklin Cars happened in November of 2010 due to GM letting us reopen our doors, and the store now only sells GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. Though this has affected my family personally because they closed one of our stores, they have allowed us to reopen and have allowed us to make more sales and make more business.